Hey there, guys. Abdul here. I just want to actually quickly run you by some of the basics of using Word. So some of the very simplest things like bolding text, italicizing text, underlining text, how to choose your fonts, your font sizes, how to maybe change the color of the text, the center align, left align, and right align, all that kind of just the basics really for all you guys out there who don't understand just the basics of using Microsoft Word to just type out a document and just get on with it really. So let's get started, guys. Okay. So I'm just going to type an example of a text. Okay, so I'm just going to type example actually, in fact. Okay, so let's just type something like this. Uh, okay. Now, what you guys got to remember, okay, you can either highlight everything, okay, or you can click it just like that wherever you want, and you can just click the bold or underline, which are these buttons here, guys. So you got bold, that's the italic, so and that is the underline. Now, let me just explain what this does to your text, guys. If you click the bold, it makes it a bit fatter, so it's thicker, so it emphasizes more on that piece of text. Okay, if you click the italicize, it slants it slightly, so another way of emphasizing more on that piece of text or that word. So you can see that there, guys. And if you click the U, it will underline that piece of text, again emphasizing on that piece of text. Now, if you want to do more than one word or a sentence, guys, then all you have to do is left click at the start or wherever you want to start from, and drag to the right or left depending where you are. So it's left click, and drag, and you can choose bold again, choose underline, italic, or underline, or you can choose all of them if you want, even like that. See, you can choose a whole lot of them. Those are the basic formatting in Word, okay, which is bold, italicized, and underline. Another thing you can do, guys, is you can, instead of left clicking and highlighting across, you can actually triple click. So you click 3 times and you highlight that entire sentence. So you can do 1, 2, 3. And there we go. And it's exactly the same thing. You can use these certain formattings to change the different effects. Right, guys. So let's just go over the colors as well, guys. How you change colors. So if you do left click and highlight the entire text, okay, you can come over here, which is the A with the color underneath. Okay, you can click that as it is, and it will select and color the text into the color what is below, basically. If you want to choose other colors, you just click the little drop down here, and you've got a whole bunch of different choices of colors here. Or you can choose more colors, and you got all these. So let's just choose one of these. I don't know. Let's just choose this purpley pinky kind of one, okay? And you click out, and that's the color of your text. Um, let's just go over centralizing your text. So to center it, you can once again either click the whole lot like that, and then click center, or you can just click the text and then center or left align. The center, left, and right. Okay, that's what that does. Um, what you get in Microsoft Word 2010 is you have the option of formatting, which is not in the versions below. So I don't believe you see it in 2007, but I'm not sure about that. But what you do, you click this, and you've got this pre-made effects that you can apply to your piece of text. So let me show you this, guy. So if you just hover over, you can see this in the background. This piece of text is changing as I'm hovering. So that's kind of a neat effect, really, that you can choose, guys. Might be useful. And you got all these other shadow effects, reflection, outline, and glow you can choose from here as well. Let me just give you an example of the outline. I mean the shadow reflection. See all them different effects on the list there. So those are a bit more advanced effects. And you can also change the size. Well, let me change the size. So I click this button here, and you can make it either these pre-done sizes, so any of these, or you can even go ahead and type in. So I can type out something like 50, and it makes the text bigger. And you click out, and that's how you change the font size, guys. Another thing you can do is you can change the actual font. So if you click this, now I've got a whole bunch of fonts, guys. You may not have as many, okay, but you may have to just the default. So you can just scroll down, and you can choose a font you like. The neat thing about Word 2010, okay, is it actually shows you a preview in the drop down, but it also previews it on the actual page, on the actual document. And I mean, it's pretty neat, that little thing that they've got. So let's just choose a font. Let's just choose anything, something a bit more plain. Let's just choose that. And that is basically how you choose your fonts as well. That is basically how the basics of Word work. Now, there's also copy and paste, obviously, okay, guys. So there's different ways of doing that. You can either highlight the whole lot like this again, left click and drag across, or you can just triple click. It's completely up to you. But basically, you want to highlight, okay, and you can right click, and then you got the option of copying like that. Now let me just do another space, and you can right click again, and you can do paste. You can do pasting with the effect and without the effect, and all these little options here. And that's how you copy and paste. There's also another way, like I said, guys, you can copy and paste. So let me just grab this, just this little bit. Okay, that's another thing you can do. You can left click and highlight up to wherever you want. So we're just highlighting exams now. Okay, now you've got copy up here as well, guys. Okay, so you can click copy, and then once again you can do paste, which is over here, and just choose that one, and that's how you paste. So that's pretty much the basics of using Word and how you can change fonts. You can change the size of the fonts. You can use the basic formatting, which are bold, underline, and italics, as well as change the color of the text and some of the special effects that are available inside of Word 2010. So I hope you guys enjoyed this basic rundown of Word. And if you want to leave some comments, I really appreciate that. Okay, I appreciate all the comments, guys, and I'll try to reply to all the comments, like your posts, like your comments. And if you like this video, please give me a like, and I'll leave you to it now, guys. So thanks a lot for stopping by, and I hope this mini section gave you a bit of value and understanding of exactly what you can do in Word and how you can do these certain basic stuff. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I will maybe see you on another tutorial. Bye bye.